Siyempre, medyo nagulat pa rin, like, you know, like, with all the speculations, you know, nothing sure naman eh. So, like, being picked first, you know, parang hindi pa rin ako makaget over. Like mahirap mapaniwala na mag-first ka, diba? But nonetheless, very grateful for this. I'm super grateful for my team, for the Terra Firma for believing and choosing me as their first pick this 50th season of PBA.
Leo, yung Terra Firma kasi nasa baba ng standings, how do you plan to help them at least become a playoff contender?
I mean, you know, ako naman like entering a team, you know, that's something that you wanna do. Like you wanna help the team and hopefully get some more wins. But like, syempre, like, it also depends sa coach and sa samahan namin ng mga teammates namin. So hopefully, like, by, you know, like, as the season passes by, the more games we play, hopefully we build more chemistry and, you know, like, hopefully it will help us get more wins like this season.
With a 7th pick in the 4th round.
Kahit saglit, ano yung napag-usapan nyo?
The second tallest applicant for the 50th season, 6'9",
Parang
nakakasapan ba kayo?
Kami naman with Coach Ronald, we all know naman na I have to finish my stint muna sa NPBL with the Abra Solidor team. So, napag-usapan namin na if ever na may mga breaks kami, I could like come over and join team practices para lang, you know, kahit paano, like at the start of the season, makapag, you know, like get together with a teammate and like makapag-practice na rin.
So tatapusin mo pa yung sa Abra mo?
Opo, yes.
Okay,
yes.
So you're not joining your team immediately?
No, not yet, yes.
So maybe may timetable ka ba maybe like
I think
November, December ka na?
mga December po siguro. Like I think the last if ever we reach the finals, then baka mga December po.
Pag na-out na yung Abra ba, ano ba yung like arrangements ninyo? Pag wala rin out na yung Abra sa tension sa MPBL, ano ka pa i-release ka na ba or tatapusin mo hanggang December?
Siguro depende po sa pag-usapan namin like soon, but like I have yet to talk to them about the specific details of it. But if ever naman na wag naman sana, if ever naman na we don't reach where we want to reach, then yeah, why not? Parang I open naman like to go straight para makapag-start na rin po.
Tingnan natin kung sino susunod.
How do you like How do you like yung mga picks ng Terra Firma so far?
I mean,
it's been really good. Like you know, like yung coaches namin, they know what we need the most. So you know, like ako naman, I'm really happy to meet my new teammates as well. So, you know, it's been really good naman so far.